Okay, one more video, because it's really getting cool now. Oh!
Oh my God, it's a blizzard.
There's Leo standing in the blizzard, and I don't even have a jacket on.
It's a blizzard. Oh my God.
Look, here, Leo, even you can do this. Don't touch anything. Just hold it, and I'm going to run under the tree. See if you can see me out here in the blizzard.
There she is in the blizzard. Oh no, it's a whiteout. We can't see her anymore.
This is so cool.
It's a whiteout.
Oh no, that's enough of me. That is pretty cool. Woo, it's cold out here. Notice I didn't even have a jacket on. Ow! I got a snowflake in the eye.
Look at your car.
Oh my gosh, let me look at my car. Oh, I love this. I love living here.